This is my wife's 73 Plymouth Duster. It has no engine, no transmission. It's a complete rust bucket, but we're gonna restore it and turn it into a sick-ass RESTOMOD. What is it? No, last time you're gonna vacuum mouse shit out of here? Say the last time, because it's like the 5th time. So we worked on it for like half an hour. We got the whole interior taken out. And man, was there a lot of mouse houses in there. Must have been mice living in there for 20 years. Still got a bunch of work to do. It's in there though. So there it is. I think this is basically the final test fit before we do all the welding on the front end, and that's where it's gonna stay forever. Oh, it's plugged in the battery. That's what it says. The door's ajar. But to try and start it. Oh man. There it is! Woo! Hey, did we make it to the show? Oh, are they doing awards over there or something? I hear people clapping. Let's go over there.
Yeah.